how we feeling, Connor? We've got the bikes unloaded. The Buick CBR, the infamous Buick CBR. These awesome Harley guys help us out with unloading the bikes. Maybe not all Harley riders do that. And then there it is, the drag, 318 turns, 11 miles. Bring on the bikes real quick, try and take advantage of any daylight we have left. We're gonna try and find Nate and D. No idea where they're at, but we're gonna try and find them. This thing is sweet. Dang, boy. Hell yes. Oh, this first time I'm actually seeing one in person. I like it. Carbon fiber fairings and everything. It looks good. I mean, look at the dash with the carbon fiber wheels on it. Look at that weave. All right, BMW, I see you. There's his Instagram if you want to follow him, Ride Clean Official. Shout out to you, bro. You got a dope bike. I still like the Panigales though. Are you ready? Oh, I can hear you. Yeah. That is awesome. Well, we're trying to find our boys, but we have no idea where the hell they are because we have no service. So we're gonna try and take advantage of some sunlight. We got a little bit. These pants are tight. These pants either got tighter or I got fatter. What do you think it is, Connor? I'm about to say choose wisely because I'm your ride home. Oh, we should have stopped and got a quick pic. Whoa, look at these views. Holy cow, I can't wait to fly the drone. That is gonna be dope. How's it going? Look at that, 520 or 570, excuse me. Damn. You see him in pictures all the time, but until you see him in person, you really just don't appreciate him. Hell yeah, I love that orange too. Yeah. One day, Connor, one day. Opposite way. There we go. Killing it. Oh, storm here an animal. I love it. This is it. This is it, Connor. Yeah, right here, pull off. This is what you see in all the Deals Got videos. Wow. Heck yeah. Woo! We got the nighttime squad out here. Oh, my back.
This sounds good.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Just a little obnoxious.
Yeah, I got a GSXR 600.
Oh, heck yeah, man.
Short little akrapovic.
Yep, down there.
Just scream.
Yep.
This thing sounds big and fat.
There's nothing wrong with that, man. It's pretty sweet. What is this?
That's a BMW R9T.
Nice.
Little roadster.
I like it, man.
It's fun on the road.
Hey, I have a Harley, so
oh, yeah, right.
I have best of both worlds, man. I'm back and forth. I can appreciate any two wheels.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter.
That GSXR I got is just strictly a track bike.
Oh, heck yeah.
And I mean, it's terrifyingly fast,
Yeah.
but there's no way I would move up to a leader bike because I'm already scared with just 600.
Yeah. If I were to go on the track, I definitely want to start on a 600.
Well, you should hear it.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Hell yeah.
Well, here I go. Let's
awesome.
Keep the bike in one piece.
Hey, that's the goal always, man. Ride safe. Heck yeah. Well, there's our run. We made it to what you see in all the videos, the Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. And I don't know where Puke just went, but he left me hanging. I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here, but if I do. Ooh, GTR. Yes. Because we need to take it easy on the way back. It's gonna be dark. If they made those in manual, they'd literally be perfect. Reasonably priced, fast as hell, can beat a lot of supercars. I just don't understand. Night run at the tail of the dragon. Seems smart, right? I actually can't see. This was dumb. But it was so worth it. You're good, you're good. I'll just let you go. Alright, let's get it. I just wanted you to catch up. Wow. That's beautiful. Shorter gears with the sprocket change because it gets up there real quick, a lot quicker than what it was before, that's for sure. Bro, that Camaro gets up and moves. I'm impressed. Like, that thing's quick. I'm in this one. Wherever you are, if you ever watch this video, that thing is fast. I'm impressed. Like, I was pushing the bike to keep up. We definitely won't be able to race though, so don't start going crazy, but it's definitely quick. Don't sleep on the Camaro. Oh! Can we stay on here? Okay.